G'day everyone, we're going to get our Paddy Straw Mushrooms going. Now these are a hot weather mushroom. Currently it's about mid-20s I suppose, whatever that is in Fahrenheit. But a very mild day. It does like warmer weather, but we'll no doubt get some warmer weather than that. Now to do these, we do them in straw, that's how they got the name. But I don't have access to rice straw. I'm going to use sugarcane mulch as usual for my mushrooms. Now we need to pasteurize this a bit. So first thing we're doing is we're getting a shovelful and a bit of builder's lime, not garden lime. Always remember that. We're just going to mix it in. And while that's filling up, we're actually going to grow these in old milk crates. Now the reason we're doing that is they will grow outside here. So we're going to fill this up with the sanitised, pasteurised straw with layers of the Paddy Straw grain spawn in here. And we're just going to stack them up over here and keep them nice and damp and hopefully get some warm weather and they will grow. Alright, so we'll just fill this up, add in our straw and come back tomorrow when it's properly sanitised, or as sanitised as we can get. All I've done is I've got some sugarcane straw sitting here that's been soaking in an alkaline mixture. I did a quick pH test on the straw that we're using for the mushrooms. As we can see, it's a lovely purple. And I expect that that is well above 10. It's meant to be 11 or 12. So guessing, because my scale only goes to 10, but that's good. It's just builder's lime and water, get the pH up to around 11. That'll sanitise it, pasteurise it, whatever you want to call it. We're going to layer it with our Paddy Straw spawn inside an old milk crate because it needs lots of breathing space and we've got to try not to pack the straw down too much. I have a feeling it's a little bit fine for this particular type of mushroom, but we'll see how we go. So let's get it in. This will drain nicely on its own. Good layer in the bottom. Let's open up our grain spawn and bring you guys in to have a closer look. As I said, this will drain out nicely over time. Start off nice and damp. We've stored this in the fridge for a couple of days. And all we're going to do is take out a lump, like so. Rake it up as much as we can, very damp. Put some more straw in. It's a 1 kilo bag, by the way. Got to get 3 layers out of this. And 1 milk crate full. Very damp. I actually haven't run across a grain spawn that's been quite as damp before. Put the last of our grain spawn in. Very, very damp. This again is from Root Lab. So it's lots of open spaces. This is why I'm using a milk crate, because I believe, and it's very hard to find information on Paddy straws, but I believe the mushrooms will grow out of here. It'll dry out to the right sort of consistency soon. We hope for some warm weather. So milk crate, I believe, is good for this, giving it lots of space and air to breathe, even though the sugarcane mulch is a little bit fine. I think once it dries out a bit, it'll be all right, get some air through it that way. So what do you reckon? You grown Paddy straws before? Had any luck with them? Am I doing it completely wrong? Because as I said, it's very hard to find any info on how to grow these things. There's a few Asian videos, but they use rice straw and they do it in a barn. Don't really have the opportunity to grow in the same way myself. But let me know if you have. Remember to hit that like, subscribe and bell icon to find out if they actually work. You guys enjoy life. I'll catch you in the garden.